What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious cauliflower wings. Going to have some garlic in it, so it's going to be more like buffalo garlic cauliflower wings. It's going to be really delicious and extra simple to make, so let's get right to work. Alright, so as I told you guys, this is going to be extremely simple to make. We only basically have 5 ingredients if you count water. So first thing you're going to need is the star of the show, 1 full-size head of cauliflower, equal parts water and flour. In this case I'm using organic flour, and about 3 or 4 tablespoons of buffalo sauce. I like Frank's buffalo sauce, and this is Lawry's garlic salt. So those are all the ingredients we're going to use. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and break down our cauliflower. And to break down the cauliflower, you want to remove this core back here first. Usually I just cut around it with a smaller paring knife. And it comes right out. And you could use this for soups or other things, and in my case, sometimes I use it for composting to feed my plants. And we're just going to kind of dismantle this in pieces. And we want to make small, bite-sized florets, about that size, about the size of a drumstick or a chicken wing drum, just like that. And then some of them you're probably gonna have to cut them down the middle, and even another time if they're a little bit too big. Okay, so next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our wet batter, and basically we're just gonna add the flour. It's 1 part water, 1 part flour. And we're going to go ahead and mix this up. It's going to create a nice, thick batter to coat the cauliflower with. Get all the lumps out. You want it nice and smooth. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon, about a heaping teaspoon of Lawry's garlic salt. Now you guys can add regular salt, or you can add anything else if you like. I just like garlicky buffalo wings, so I love that flavor, the buffalo sauce with the garlic. So that's why I'm combining to add that nice garlic flavor in there to the batter. So that's nice and smooth now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to toss the wings in there and then place them on a baking sheet with a silicone mat. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take the cauliflower, toss it in there, and then put it over to a sheet tray. And actually throw most of it in. And then just toss it like this. To get it evenly coated, speed up the process a little bit. So I'm using a silicone tray here to keep it from sticking. These are great. I'll provide a link below to our Amazon affiliate store. so you guys could actually order it through there, and we get a small commission of 3 to 5% for any items that you guys buy on Amazon through our links. So if you don't have one and if you want to order it, I'll link it. Alright, so you want to give these a decent amount of space in between for the air to circulate, so don't overcrowd them either, because then they can come out soggy. So this is about the distance that you want. It's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven now for 20 to 25 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and that will be the first bake, and then we'll take them out. So we're going in the oven right now. Our oven's preheated, and then we'll come right back. Okay, so I took them out. I actually gave them 25 minutes in the oven, and as you can see, they've developed a nice little crust on them. Now I'm going to put them into a mixing bowl over here, and we're going to add the buffalo sauce and bake them again. So this little crust is easier to get with a spatula to kind of remove it. So it's really nice. Sounds crunchy. It's going to dry out some more. We're going to give them another 25 once we put the sauce on. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our buffalo sauce. Give it a good toss. Make sure they're evenly coated. Put a little more in. And this is not the entire cauliflower, it's just what I could fit in, but you guys get the idea. A little bit more. I'm gonna add the whole thing. Okay, so now we're going back in the same tray. Don't even have to dirty any more stuff. So we're gonna add that to the tray. Make sure we separate them again so they get nice and crisp. Alright, so now we're going to go back in the oven again for 20 to 25 minutes, and then we should be ready to eat. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. I'm going to go ahead and serve these in our little bowl. And I'm going to put a little bit more buffalo sauce over the top, just to make them a little spicier. As you guys know, I love my spice. They smell amazing. Go ahead and drain. And that's basically the recipe. There it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. I'm going to give these a try and let you guys know what I think. So let's see, here it goes. Wow. Amazing. I mean, this tastes just like a buffalo wing. As you guys probably know, the flavor comes from the sauce. So, this is amazing. Buffalo wings, probably one of my favorite foods before going vegan. And this definitely hits the spot. Wow. Super easy to make. I recommend you guys give this a try.